Welcome to part 10 of this invoice management system app, and in this one we're going to look at how to redirect after clicking on the save button. Like if I take you back to the previous video, I'm going to recreate the error that we normally have, not the error but the issue that we had when entering the data in the application. So I'm going to start the app. So it's being activated. Alright, so I'm gonna run the app here, localhost, and now if I want to do the entry, I think the URL is add items or add invoice. Okay, now with this form, if I input the data, I'm gonna just put random data and line 1, quantity 60, unit price 60. I'm just gonna put in random data, and now if I click save, the data is saved. Like if I open this in a different window or in a different tab, you can see the data is actually saved, but the form is displaying exactly what we just typed in and not reloading or switching to a different tab. Now you can see the data is right here, but now if you click keep clicking the save button or the submit button, and if I reload this page, you can see the data is being added right here. Now we don't want this to happen, so we have to redirect the page or reload the page so that the form will be empty. Okay, now to do that, we'll have to do or import a redirect right in the views. I'm gonna come here in the views and I'm gonna add redirect. Okay, so after importing the redirect, I can now use it right after the form here. Okay, we're gonna do form.save. So after clicking on the save button, we're gonna do return render or redirect, and then we're gonna define where we want to redirect to. Okay, for example, if I just want to stay on the forms, I can just redirect to add invoice. Let's confirm the URL. Yep, it's called add invoice. So we're gonna redirect to add invoice. I'm gonna click save again and see what will happen. Now if I click save, it's redirecting us back to this page and then clearing the form. Okay, so I'm gonna do a redirect to list invoice in this case. Okay, I'm gonna input data again. Alright, and I'm gonna click submit. Okay, you can see it redirected us to the list page. That is the item right here. Okay, so this is a short video and I hope you enjoy it. If you do, click on the like button. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, see you in the next video.